Hi, this is Josh from PML Accountants, back with some more Xero knowledge. Today we're going to be looking at the app. This is the app for the iOS, as I have an iPhone, so that's all we got to work with. Android will look slightly different, but not that much, so just be aware of that. As you can see, this is what you see when you log into the app. There's the overview of the bank, how much you need left to reconcile the balances. The outstanding and overdue sales and purchases are down there as well. And if you scroll down then, there's an overview of the profit for the month with the gross sales against the gross purchases. And there's a total cash in and out then with a monthly overview going back a couple. So if you have a look at the tabs down the bottom as well, you can see sales, purchases and contacts. So if you go to sales, it's just like on the web browser. You get an overview of how much is in each one, and you can drill into that if you want to see more detail. Purchases is the same, and it's got a list of your most recent purchases there as well. And then contacts, it's just a nice list of all your contacts you got in your system. Right, now you may have noticed the plus button in the right hand corner that can be accessed from any of the screens. That is where you go if you want to create an invoice, a quote, a bill, a receipt, a contact, or even add some files that aren't in your system yet that you need. Very simple. Now if you look at the top left, there's 3 dots, and this will bring up the overview then of your account. You can change the appearance as well. Mine's on dark mode because that's my phone's default. If you want to change that, you can change to a light mode or anything you want there. So if you have a look at the bank rec now, you just have to click on the bank there and it'll bring you in. This is what it looks like in the app. You can see that's matched to a transaction. So if you press OK on that, it'll be reconciled and up in a pile of cards there. Now for anything that doesn't match, you can see there's some options down the bottom to create. And this is what will come up, just like on the web browser. All the same options there that you need to fill in. There's also find and transfer if you need to do anything like that. And you just have to swipe up if you want to skip a receipt, and if there's one that's been matched to something incorrectly, but whether a rule or a purchase or an invoice, if you swipe right, the other options will come up then for you to deal with it. So that's the bank rec, nice and simple. Now if we just quickly show you how to create invoices, it's all the same fields you need to fill in normally anyway. There's add item, then brings up products or services, or enter in a description and amount and everything there. So the optional details, where you can change the branding theme if you have multiple branding themes in your account, or you can add a reference as well then. And you can just save or approve that there, and that's all done. And that's a quick overview of the app. I hope this has been helpful. Any more suggestions or any more videos we can do to help you, we're really happy to do that. But yeah. That's the app. Good luck.